Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Day 6 in Toronto, Canada, I believe. Big day today. We're heading to Niagara Falls. It is the girlfriend's birthday. So yeah, heading to Niagara Falls, doing the regular touristy stuff, taking some pictures, having a walk round, getting some lunch. And then I think a little bit later on we're going to be heading to do some shopping. You want to get some makeup and things like that, don't you?
Yeah.
And then I think the plan is to actually go back to the hotel, get ready, and then head back to Niagara Falls at night, because it looks pretty nice at night. They have all, you know, it's all lit up and have all the lights on. And then we're going to be going for dinner hopefully at Hard Rock Cafe, which is right next to Niagara Falls itself anyway, so yeah, should be good. Okay guys, so we're just about halfway there now. It's about an hour and a half's drive from Toronto. Now, because we've been on the highway, I've been using active cruise control, and it's something that I've never actually used before, but it is, I'm not going to lie, it is actually a very handy and useful feature. Couple of drawbacks though. Say if like you're in a lane, you set your speed to whatever, you know, you will keep a constant gap between you and the car in front, but if somebody comes across in your lane, it will literally slam the brakes on you, feel like you're about to go through the windscreen. So yeah, something to bear in mind, but it is very, very useful on a long journey. You literally can just sit there, set the speed, set the distance, and yeah, away you go. Okay guys, so we are heading into Niagara Parks, I believe. We're just heading to a car park somewhere, but we can already kind of see the falls, and wow, it honestly doesn't look real. That is spectacular. It looks to be part frozen, which I guess makes sense because it is, you know, we're in the minuses. But yeah, I'm excited to get over there, to be honest. Have a quick dip in the pond. Wow. That's crazy, isn't it? Wow. Look at this. Isn't that just spectacular? Just testing it, make sure, because I can't see. You can't see from there, can you?
It's just a test.
Yeah, feel free. You're fine.
It's just a test picture. Thank you.
Let's have a look. Right, it's on 15 seconds. We're there. Get ready. Right. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Just joking, it's not really taking a picture. I just wanted to know if you would be mine. Will you marry me?
Oh, I love you.
Oh my God. So she said yes. How do you feel? Do you like it?
Yeah. I just can't stop smiling like a Cheshire cat.
So for anyone that's wondering, this is the spot right here that she said yes. Right at the top of the falls. There's nobody else here when we did it. And I just said to her, in 20 years or so, we'll stay in one of those hotels up there and we'll come and walk down here and reminisce. So we've just been walking down from the falls themselves down this long path, and it goes for a very long time. But what I find amazing is just how vast this river really is. It's absolutely huge. Obviously, I know it divides two countries. Obviously, the US of A, that is just there, and we're in Canada right now. But I didn't realise how big this river really was. And you can see how cold it is because, yeah, in the water that is actually ice floating on the top. But we'll continue to walk along this path until we get bored, and then we'll probably head back. Okay then, so I'm not too sure how well you're going to be able to see me, but we are heading on a tour now which is called Journey Behind the Falls. So essentially we have just taken an elevator down 38 meters, I believe, and we are pretty much now right underneath the falls themselves. So I think may have an opportunity to look out and see right behind them, which is going to be pretty cool. Cataract portal. Oh, it's wet here. So this is literally just frozen. Then this is kind of one of the viewpoints. As you can see, literally is just all frozen up. So not a lot to see here. Isn't it crazy to think that we're underneath? Isn't it crazy to think we're underneath the falls? It seems like we're going to get soaked. Wow. Okay, so this one, as you can see, is not quite frozen up. Wow. So of course, can't really see a whole lot, but believe me, you can feel the full force of that waterfall right now. Okay, so we're coming to the end of the tunnel now. We're going to have a pretty good viewpoint, hopefully. Wow. That's spectacular. Doesn't even seem real, does it? I know. Look at that. This is crazy. So this must have been some kind of tunnel that I guess had collapsed. But I wouldn't have liked to been in here when it did collapse. really does not look like it's held up by much.
Making me feel airy, come on.
Back out the tunnels we go.
No problem. Hi guys. We're coming this one as well, if you like.
Or say hello to my new fiance.
That feels so weird
Yeah.
to see.
So we've just went to a shopping mall. You went and bought some makeup, didn't you? Went to Sephora.
Mm-hmm.
And now we are back in... Where are we?
Niagara Falls.
Niagara Falls. Yeah, we're back in Niagara Falls. So it's a bit weird. The entire town is called Niagara Falls, I guess. But yeah, we're actually going to go and get some dinner now. We're going to go to Hard Rock Cafe. Both feeling a little bit tired. Today has been very overwhelming, you could say. I didn't sleep at all last night.
You woke us up at 3 AM, walking around the room, and he was sorting the ring out. Obviously, at the time I didn't know.
Yeah.
But now I know he was sorting the ring out.
Yeah, so there is that. But yeah, I'm feeling very tired, but just so happy everything went smoothly, and yeah, couldn't have wished for anything better, I guess. But yeah, we're gonna go eat now, have a nice meal, and round your birthday off in style. So, fun fact, this is where we have parked, and just there, that is the Canadian border, and just the other side of that border there is a bridge. Not too sure the name of the bridge. I did know it, but I forgot now. But yeah, that bridge literally goes to the USA, and it's like, what, a couple of 100 meters over there. I mean, those buildings that you can see in the distance there, that is the USA. So we're literally right on the border right here. And Hard Rock Cafe, that is just down there. Oh, another thing I've noticed as well, I don't know what it is, but they seem to absolutely love water parks here in Canada. I mean, we've just went past this, I don't know, multi-storey car park, and there's literally a water park on top of it. I mean, I don't know about you, but I don't think I've ever fancied going to a water park when it is absolutely freezing, like -5 degrees. You can't get that hot here in the summer, surely. I mean, and even if it does, it must only be for a very, very short period of time. But yeah, we've literally driven past about 4 or 5 water parks, and just today. And if you ever wondered what Niagara Falls looks like at night, this is it. Pretty spectacular. And as you can see now, the colour has changed to blue. So I guess every 10 minutes or so, the colour changes. Our time at Niagara Falls is coming to an end. It's been a good day.
Yeah.
And like I said, in 20 years' time or so, we'll be staying at one of those hotels, looking back at this day.